What's up, YouTube? It's the Canadianpyro coming back at you. I'm gonna light this off. I honestly do not know what is inside of it. It's been sitting on my desk for months, so I hope it goes bang, but it might be a dud, so let's pray it's not, even though I'm not a fucking religious dude. Alright. Oh man, I'm gonna get back for this one, because I have no idea what's in it. Come on, hurry up. Okay, I got that lit. Got my bike. Let's see if it's loud. Holy fuck, that was a cannon! Oh my god, I have to go right now.